Right? Karapatan naman nila yun eh. And it's provided in our Constitution, yung mga karapatan na to. And, of course, ito naman ay, we're not surprised kasi alam naman talaga namin kung sino yung meron yan. May records naman kami. Okay? So, yung mga loose firearms lang naman, doon lang tayo masusurprise. But all these things, alam natin na nandyan lang yan. It's part of our law enforcement functions and regulations na kailangan kung hindi pa nila napalisensyahan o nag-expire na yung license, then they have to bring it to us while they're processing it. And sa mga kandidato naman natin, sabi ko, it's a good gesture that they really are opening up their doors for safe 2025. Yeah. So we're never been surprised kasi alam na natin to. Meron talaga sila. May records tayo. Okay.